Dear students, welcome to BCom 5th semester Cost Accounting session 20, and today's topic will be elements on cost out of that material. In that, methods of pricing issues, weighted average. We will discuss about weighted average, how the material issued under weighted average. Firstly, we see what you mean by weighted average. Weighted average method. Under this method, issue of material is priced at the average cost price of the materials in hand, and new average being computed whenever materials are received. In this method, total cost and total quantities are considered while computing the average price. In weighted average, whenever we receive the new lot, we will average that total cost and total cost of the material and total units of material is considered to calculate the weighted average at the time of issue. Weighted average price is equal to total cost of the material in hand, total what is the cost divided by total units in stock. Total cost of the material divided by total units in stock, it will give the weighted average price to issue. Methods of pricing issues, weighted average. How we are pricing the material issue under weighted average. Materials are priced at the average cost price of the material in hand. On an average cost price of the material in hand, we will price. New average is computed whenever materials are received. As and when new materials are arrived, we will calculate the weighted average price for the issue. For the issue, we will calculate the weighted average price. Here, total quantities in hand and total cost is considered for computing the average price. Total quantities in hand divided by total units in hand. The quantity brought is added to the stock in hand, and the cost to the existing cost. Units is to the added to existing units and cost to the existing cost. And revised issue price is calculated by dividing the total cost by dividing the total quantity. It is very simple. Total cost will be divided by total quantity. Whenever new purchase is added, quantity is added to the quantity and cost is added to the total cost of the material. This weighted average cost of material issue we will discuss through a problem. In this problem, it is given the following transaction relates to Arun Limited for the month of January 2018. Here also receipts are given. 2018 January 10, 300 units were received at rupees 24 each, and 20 400 units are received at 28 each, and 27 500 units are received at 22 each, and 30 100 units are received at 20 each. Then issues are there. 2018 January 15 700 units, 25 300 units, January 29 200 units, January 31st 150 units. On 1st January 2018, opening balance was rupees 500 units at the rate of 20 each. 500 units at the rate of 20 each. Prepare stores ledger account assuming that materials issue are priced as per weighted average. So here weighted average price is calculated. See, first receipts are given, next issues are given, and opening stock is given. We have to arrange as per the date. 1st January 2018 opening balance was 500 units at the rate of 20. It will be the first balance, and then 10 we received, then 15 issues and receipts has to be recorded chronological order of their receipt and issue. Here, whenever issue is there, we will calculate the average. Whenever issue is there, we will calculate the average price. See, here also 4 columns. First one, date, receipt, issues, and balance. In receipt, GRN, units. GRN means goods received number, units, rate, amount. Issues, job number, which job that we are going to issue, units, rate, amount, and last balance, units, rate, amount. See, January 1st, 500 units were there at 20. 500 units were there at 20 per unit. The rate will be 10,000. January 10, receipts, 300 units at the rate of 24, 7,200. So 500 units, the old balance at the rate of 20, 10,000, and 300 new stock at the rate of 24, 7,200. So 300 into 24, 7,200. Here on 15, 700 tons are issued. Total tons we had 800 tons, 500 are at 20 and 300 at 24. Total cost will be 17,200 and total quantity will be 800. We will show in note 1. Note 1, see, the cost of the, see the here note 1, you see, note 1, 10,000 plus 7,200 divided by 500 plus 300 means 800 units, 17,200 divided by 800 means 21.50 per ton. That is average price 21.50 ton per ton will be charged for the issue. See that 21.50 will be charged at the rate of 21.50. Amount will be 15,050 and 100 ton will be the balance. 100 ton will be the balance that from the total balance, total amount from the total of 17,200 we will minus the issue rate of 15,020. Remaining will be for 100 ton will be 2,150. 2,150 will be the balance. It is on an average it will be 21.50. Balance will be 100 units at 21.50. Then we will receive 400 units at 28. 11,200 will be the total cost. 100 at the rate of 21.50 and 400 at the rate of 28. 11,200. Note second, 300 units. So you see there 500 tons were there, but cost will be different. One 21.5, another 28. So we will go through note 2. See that note 2. First stock value is 2,150. It is for 100 units. 11,200. It is for 400 units. Total 13,350 for 500 units. Average will be 26.70. See note second. Note second. See there. Note second, 300, 26.70. Amount will be 8,010 and balance will be on an average it is 26.70 balance, 200 units at the rate of 5,314. On 27, once again we are receiving 500 units at the rate of 22. 11,000 will be the balance. 11,000 will be the balance. Total will be 200 units at the rate of 26.70 will be 5,340. 500 units at the rate of 22, 11,000. On 29 we are going to issue 200 tons. See that note 3. See here note 3. 5,340 cost for 200 units, 11,000 cost for 500 units. Total cost will be 16,340 for 700 units. So average price will be 23.34 per unit. 23.34 per unit. So we'll go for note 3. Note 3, 23.34 for 200 tons. Amount will be 4,668. For 500 also rate will be 23.34, but we have given blank because whenever we purchase the new unit, that average will calculate it, because here in balance we only mention the quantity and the cost. When we receive the additional material, then we will calculate the cost. See that 100 units were received at 2,000. 500 units, it is the last lot, cost will be 11,672 and 100 units at the rate of 2,000 unit. Then 31st we issued 150 units. 150 units we are issued. See note number 4. For 500 units amount will be 11,672. For 100 units cost will be 2,000. Total cost is 13,672 for 600 units. 13,672 divided by 600 units cost will be 22.79. Here see note number 4, 150 units at the rate of 22.79, 3,418 will be the issue cost and balance will be 450. Relatively that cost is 22.79. The relative cost is 22.79, but we will leave blank because we will write units and amount only. Whenever receive the new units we will average it. Now 450 units at 10,254 per unit. Its per unit cost will be 22.79, but that rate column will be kept as blank because once we receive the new stock we will average it. These are the notes for issues. This is how average stock price is calculated. Average stock price is calculated. These are references.